said I'm just dragging him around like a circus monkey. Huh. Does it look like he's being dragged around? He loaded up on his own. He likes to go. He knows he's gonna get to go somewhere new, so he's ready. Dragging him around like a circus monkey. Okay. Old Muffin, he knows the routine now. I guarantee he'd much rather be in here in the air conditioning than to be out in the hot. Which he does have a barn to get into, but still. He didn't have any trouble loading up today. He was ready. I'll tell you what, this Cadillac does have a good air conditioning in it. This thing will freeze you out. Hey, if y'all are new to this channel and you like this here cow content, go check out Rufus the Bull. That will be Brent's channel. He has a big old Hereford bull. He's a full-size version of Muffin. Muffin's like his little mini-me. But Rufus, he's like 2,900 pounds. Muffin, he's 570 pounds. So there's a pretty big difference there. Old Rufus, he weighs as much as an SUV. Yeah, he's a big old boy. Big boy. People said I need to quit mentioning other channels so much. Well, I don't really care what you think, because I'm going to do it no matter what anybody thinks. Nobody does that really, and I'm going to change that. I think it's pretty nice to be able to get him out and go places with him and take him to new places he's never been before. Most cows don't ever get to do this. So it's pretty awesome. It'd be almost impossible to get him in here if he didn't want to go. So, yeah. He likes to go, he likes to do this, so as long as he doesn't outgrow the vehicle or something, we're going to keep on doing it. And you can either watch it or not. I mean, it's up to you. But just know we appreciate it if you watch it, because it's really going to help us out and help us keep the farm and help keep him fed and help keep Wizard fed and possibly get some more heifers to go with him. That's what I mean. I'm going to get some more little cows to go with him. It's just I don't know if the time frame's going to fit with the amount of views and money coming in off of this, because it's not much. I mean, like maybe $10 or $11 a day, if even that. Probably closer to $3 or $4 a day. I thought it'd be more than that, but no, not so much. I don't know how these TikTokers and stuff make it. I really don't, if that's all they're doing. I mean, trying to make viral video after viral video. It's pretty crazy. I'll show y'all my little piece of property that was down here. That right there was all mine. Right here, this is my little cabin. Right there, that's it. That's what it is. instantly goes for the camera. You coming? Come on, Buffalo. I'm gonna head to this creek. You don't like this creek. Buddy boy. Come on. Old Muffin getting to explore. Come on, buddy. Okay, he's like, oh man, this is awesome. Come on, big boy, we're going down to a good creek. You're gonna like this. Come on. Come on, big dude. Come on, Muffin. He ain't gonna get too far away from me. Oh man, that's awesome right here. Check this out. Right here, Muffin, look. You can come up right here. Last time I step on. Come on, buddy. Muffin Man. Yeah. 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 Yeah, he rides in the Cadillac. Oh yeah. Yeah, look him up on YouTube. SIW Outdoors. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, when I went to go get him, I have a little Nissan Versa car, and when he was a baby, I got him in the back seat and rode him home, and then it went so good, I was just like, well, maybe if I get a little SUV, he'll ride in that, and then he did. And then I upgraded to that Cadillac, and oh yeah, he enjoys going. As you can tell, he just wants to be wherever I'm at. Yeah, he's a bulldog. Come over here.
That's freaking awesome.
He is so cute.
He will headbutt.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah,
Maybe he'll knock some sense into me. Hi, baby. You a daddy's boy?
What are you doing,
Hi,
handsome?
baby.
and watch him. He'll headbutt.
How much does he weigh, I wonder?
570.
570?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, I went and weighed him here a while back, and he was 570. He might actually be 600 now.
Oh my goodness. So that's as big as he's gonna get.
It should be. Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah, that should be as big as he's going to get. I hope it is.
Like, then you're gonna have to get a damn semi.
Yeah. Or a van.
Yeah. Oh, he is so adorable.
The other day you were over the creek and see a cow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, he is definitely something else.
Got his own personality, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
It's a hard life for you, Lena. I know we came across the bridge and they said, there's a cow. I'm like, what? What was your YouTube again?
SIW Outdoors. Stepped in Wood Outdoors. Or you can look him up by his name, Muffin Man. Muffin Man the Bull.
That is so cool. Did cows swim?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I brought him down here. He hasn't ventured off any of the deep stuff. When we start out there, he just kind of stops. So
He might know how far to go.
he might swim if he had to, but he's never really been in the water before like this.
But him's like it.
Oh yeah. Anywhere I'm at, that's where he wants to be.
Oh, you loving on your daddy?
Have you ever had a cow lick you?
No.
It's like sandpaper.
Like a cat.
Yeah, yeah, except worse. Yeah, it's, I mean, you could literally scrape wood with it.
No way.
Yeah, it hurts. I mean, there's probably skin missing already. Yeah, it's already turning red. Yeah, he'll scrape the skin off your legs if you let him.
This guy's just giving you kisses.
Yeah, I let him do it. I mean, I don't know how long he's gonna live, so I mean, just spoil him while I can.
I heard that shit. Too late.
Hi, buddy.
I don't know of anybody else around here that has any of these Herefords.
I don't know. That's crazy though.
But he's a Hereford, and do you ever watch Rufus the Bull? Look up Rufus. He's a Hereford just like him, except he's 2,900 pounds.
Dang.
He's as big as an SUV.
No shit.
Yeah.
He go in your house and everything?
No.
Oh no, he's outside.
No, he pees and poops everywhere. I don't guess cows can hold it. So.
Yeah, no.
No, I would never bring him in the house. Doesn't want anybody around me.
Oh.
Yeah, he's protective of me. See, he's trying to push me away is what he's doing. He's trying to
Crazy.
keep me away from everybody else.
Get away from my daddy.
Oh yeah, he's very protective. I have. Yeah, he's a full-grown bull. Yeah, he's a miniature micro Hereford. Oh yeah, it's first time he's ever been down here. But he's liking this. He's a wader. He just likes to wade. But wherever I go, he'll follow me around. He's pretty chill to be a bull. He's been going all his life. I'll tell you what, these deer flies are terrible. All right, have a good one. Old tongue's like sandpaper. He's sitting there licking my leg, and that's what happened. Look, he got that right there too. A cow has a tongue about like a cat, except worse. He'll lick the skin off his leg. Tell you what though, he's really enjoying this. Look at him. He's just in heaven. He said, we got a day at the water park, Dad. I think we can get up this hill, maybe. Look at him. Mr. Four-wheel drive over here. Hello, Mr. Four-wheel drive. Look at you. Just come right up that hill. Good boy. I really got to watch him when we cross this here bridge. It doesn't have any sides on it. No, you can't go over there, bud. Stay over here with me. Let him get up here and eat around. He won't get out of here now. These flies are all over him. Yeah, now he's getting frustrated with all these flies. People we seen today, they were in utter amazement that Muffin Man was down there at the creek. He's a star. I just wish them flies wasn't all over him. Dang horse flies and deer flies. Next time I'll bring some spray with us. But yeah, he had a real good time. I was kind of worried about his hooves there in them rocks, but he's not really that heavy, so he didn't seem to have any problems with them. Next time we might actually go to the lake. It'll be just a mud bottom. He tired, he ready to get home and get a nap now. I bet my boots are gonna need a good cleaning because I forgot and left them back yonder with him. Yeah, I bet they're pretty much ruined now. I have noticed, I don't know if I got it on video or not. I don't know if I was recording when I was talking to them people. I might have been, I don't know. I turned it off there for a minute. But I noticed if I'm talking to somebody and he's standing there, he does not want me to be talking to anybody or them to be getting close to me. He tries pushing me away from them. I noticed he did that a couple times. Like I get a little close to him, he'd get in front of me and push me away from him. It's like he's trying to protect me or something. Yeah, he's a pretty good little dude, you know it? He really is. Think a lot of him. Look at him looking at me. Think a lot of him. I never knew a cow could be like him. He acts like a dog, basically. I believe he thinks he is one. I know one thing, he loves me to death. He really does. He just watches me and makes sure where I'm at. I seen some comments there on the YouTube, I think, said it's time for steaks and all that. It's like, nah, I'm gonna tell you right now, he's not on the menu. No. He's a pet, and I don't plan on eating him. I'd have to be pretty darn desperate, and I mean desperate. So he's just too good of a little dude. No, he's gonna have a good life. He's my little buddy. My big buddy. Man, somebody's cooking something, smells good. Probably this barbecue joint up here. Tired there, baby? He looks like he's just had a big day and just plumb wore out, don't he? Sir, but did you know you look like a cow? Where you want me to drop you off at? Hey, you remember that video went viral? That woman said she couldn't fit in the vehicle, and the guy, I think it was like Uber or something driver, is like, no, you can't, neither. You can't fit in here. Yeah, I'm pointing at you. I I'm sorry, but you look like a cow. Well, I just picked up my fare. I don't know, does that look like a cow to y'all? Kind of looks like a cow to me. Hope I don't get sued for that. I wonder if that's a cowboy. I'm just taking this here cowboy home. Look at him look at me. He's like, cowboy? Well, you a cow and you a boy, ain't you? Yeah, don't hide your face over there now. Just keep him turned around, buddy. Let me get backed up in your hole and we'll get you out of here. Always messing with the camera, boy.